David Zucker, and Poetry in Motion is my main solo program. And I also do Math's Amazing and Shakespeare Guys and Odyssey of the Mime. Been doing this for 40 years. I just love working with kids in schools. So I do a performance, but constantly during the program, there's interaction back and forth. It's almost like a dialogue. It's highly participatory. When a kid's into it, perhaps they're smiling, perhaps they're not talking to their neighbors, they're raising their hand. The arts kind of make life worth living. And that's what makes school interesting. And the arts can teach almost any subject and make it more fun. So you can turn work into play. The actors are called players, and they act in plays. So it really is about playing, not treating life too seriously. Almost anything can be turned into play if you look at it in a creative, artistic way.